This ProTool Dual Trim Brush is the standard brush in the lineup. Its 14-inch cleaning path and 4 pencil jets offer versatility with more efficient and quicker cleaning than 12-inch brushes. This dual trim brush flows well at a wide range of RODI water flows. Shown here at 1.4 gallons per minute, the brush will help you to make quick work of rinsing large plates of glass. It is likely that you will want to slow the water down for smaller residential panes, cut-ups, and on windy days. Here at 1.0 gallons per minute, the water flow is drooping nicely. Many RODI systems only produce 0.6 gallons per minute, and when you start to clean with a water-fed pole at 40 and 50 feet high up the building, water flow will be reduced. This dual trim brush handles the lower water flow well, still offering a fair bit of separation of the brush from the glass. The dual trim design allows you to rinse on the glass. The water flow is contained within the outer bristles in a pocket above the inner bristle. This allows the pure rinse water to rinse the glass and the bristles at the same time, leaving behind a spot-free finish.
ProTool. J.Racenstein.